Why data warehouses are critical for breaking free from manual reporting loops. There's a strange irony in how many businesses chase AI-powered insights while still relying on spreadsheets and CSV files for critical reporting. Everyone's eager to talk about machine learning, automation, and next-gen analytics, but behind the scenes, many companies are still manually copying data from system to system, dragging CSVs into dashboards, and wondering why their reporting feels like a never-ending loop of busy work. This manual approach isn't just inefficient, it actively holds businesses back. Without a proper data warehouse, companies end up relying on disconnected data sources, inconsistent reporting, and countless hours wasted manually merging data sets. Worse yet, some people cling to this outdated process on purpose. Why? Because it gives them control, a sense of being needed, and sometimes even protects inefficiencies that data engineering services would expose. The spreadsheet trap. Manual work disguised as productivity. Spreadsheets are not the enemy, and they're not a scalable solution. When you are constantly exporting CSVs, fixing broken formulas, and manually merging data sets across platforms, it creates a cycle where data feels busy, but it's not driving growth. This process often happens because it's comfortable. For some, manual reporting becomes a job security buffer, a repetitive task that feels productive but doesn't lead to real insights. The problem? Manual reporting slows down decision-making and often makes deeper reporting issues. Consider a sales team manually merging data from their CRM, e-commerce platform, and advertising tools. Each week, hours are spent exporting files, copying them into spreadsheets, and adjusting formulas just to see how campaigns are performing. But what happens when data quality issues arise? Duplicate records, missing fields, fraud. Teams either ignore it or waste even more time cleaning it manually. This constant cycle of managing the data instead of leveraging the data keeps teams in the dark, often unaware that better reporting infrastructure exists. How data warehouses break the manual reporting cycle. A data warehouse changes the entire game by centralizing and automating data collection, cleaning, and storage at scale. Rather than pulling data manually from multiple systems, a warehouse becomes the single source of truth, syncing data from CRMs, marketing platforms, financial systems, and more automatically. Here's why it matters. It eliminates manual work. No more CSV exports or spreadsheet mergers. Data flows automatically from your systems to the warehouse. Ensures data consistency. A warehouse applies data normalization and standardization, so metrics like revenue and profit margin are calculated the same way across all reports. Real-time insights. With a proper warehouse in place, data can be updated in near real time, giving decision makers current information instead of outdated reports. Wouldn't it be nice to see streaming data? Supports BI tools efficiently. Data warehouses are built to feed into business intelligence platforms like Tableau, Power BI, and Looker, allowing for dynamic dashboards rather than static CSV reports. For example, instead of a marketing manager manually merging campaign data from Facebook ads and Google ads every week, a data warehouse automatically combines the metrics and pushes ready-to-use insights into their dashboard. Why some resist proper data warehousing? Not everyone welcomes the shift from spreadsheets to data engineering solutions, and there's a reason behind it. control, and it's more familiar. Manual reporting offers a sense of control. It's familiar, predictable, and for some, it keeps them indispensable in their roles. When everything runs through one person, it can create a sense of security, but also bottlenecks. Fear of exposure. Solid data engineering shines a light on previous inefficiencies. When a data warehouse is introduced, it often reveals inaccurate past reports, overcomplicated workflows, redundant tasks performed manually for years. Sabotage and resistance. In some cases, individuals may sabotage data engineering engagements by withholding access, delaying collaboration, or insisting manual methods are more reliable. Why? Because automation can feel like a job displacement, when in reality, it frees teams for a higher value work. Unless they are trying to hide fraud. The truth is, data warehouses don't eliminate roles, they transform them. Instead of being stuck in data cleanup, teams can focus on strategy, analysis, and action. The profitability impact of a well-structured data warehouse. At its core, a data warehouse isn't just about storing data. It's about unlocking profit-driving insights. Here's how a proper warehouse directly contributes to a better business result. Faster decision-making. With data flowing into a centralized system, leadership can get faster access to revenue insights, performance metrics, and operational efficiency reports. Cost reduction. Manual reporting burns hours and wages. Warehousing cuts down on labor costs while preventing reporting errors that could lead to financial mistakes. Data-driven growth. When data is clean and accessible, companies can run advanced analytics, identify high-performing strategies, and scale operations based on proven insights rather than guesswork. Compliance and security. A warehouse also ensures that sensitive data is properly encrypted and governed, helping businesses stay compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Why data engineering services are critical for warehouse success. A data warehouse alone doesn't fix poor reporting. It's the data engineering behind it that makes the difference. Without the right expertise, businesses often face issues like incomplete data pipelines, delayed syncs, or unorganized storage schemas. Data engineering professionals ensure seamless integration, automating data ingestion from multiple platforms into the warehouse, data cleaning and transformations, ensuring data is cleaned, normalized, and ready for analysis. Scalable infrastructure, designing the warehouse to handle growing data volumes without performance issues. Real-time processing, leveraging technologies like WebSockets and data streaming for up-to-the-minute reporting accuracy. Time to break the manual reporting cycle. Sticking to CSV files and spreadsheets might feel safe, but it's holding businesses back from real insights and growth. The combination of a proper data warehouse and data engineering services empowers businesses to stop managing data manually and start leveraging it for profit. If you're tired of manual reporting loops, delayed insights, and inconsistent data, it's time to consider professional data engineering services. The right strategy will not only streamline your reporting, but also unlock new revenue streams through faster, data-driven decisions. The question isn't if you need a data warehouse, it's how soon can you break free from the manual work cycle? Let a data engineering expert help you design a future where data works for you, not the other way around.